Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DiyTop1 channel. In this video, continue. Take advantage of tools available in the house. To make this knife sharper. Let's start the video. Take time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Please leave me a comment. I'm glad to be able to talk to people from all over the world. Now, let's go. Take the cap. Of soft drink bottles. Cut into shape as painted. Let's cut that out. Affix this bottle to the wooden board. Please pay attention. Glue the outer part. Cut adhesive tape 2 sides. To paste the part. That's sandpaper in the bottle cap. Now, give more. A little water and start grinding. Sharpen your hands. From the base of the knife to the tip of the knife. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on the channel subscription button. It's great to see your support. Then let's change the side of the knife. Add more toothpaste so that the tooth becomes shiny. Continue to sharpen your hands. Let's clean this knife. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel to support me. Let everyone know about this trick. I wish you success.